Hello everyone. So I reviewed Fine Models 499p before, but they came with gray wheels, which the race car never did. So it seems like they went back and re-released these things with black wheels. This is how they're making more money. It's kind of a little bit unethical, I think, but they're trying to be profitable. Makes sense. They got me. They got my money. Yeah, I probably have to sell those other ones off. I'm not even going to bring them out to show because I despise them now. So, but this one is fine because it has black wheels. Alright, so this is the 2025 24 Hours of Le Mans winner. And it's not licensed, so if you have ethics about business like that, you shouldn't be watching my channel. It's a very loose cover, I think. It's just got some tape dots right now. Let's try that again. Yeah, very loose cover, which is actually what you want, because if you pull it up by the top, you're not going to drop your model on the floor. So they're the drivers of this car for this winning season. We have the number 83 in yellow, where the previous two winners, I believe, were red cars. 50 and 51, I think. Or at least one of those won. I think both won. But now, so what's odd here is the numbering. Or, I don't know what's going on here. This says first. Is this a digital screen? All I know is in both of these images, the 83 is back here, right? So I'm thinking this is the old decal from before it ran and won. So maybe these decals are from the 2023 or 2024 season. So that's not accurate, which is a real shame because I was hoping this would be an accurate thing. But basically, this is not a winning car. Yeah, I guess you could just, well, let me do some research. This is what happens when you don't do research, but I don't have time to research things. So this is the car as it ran in 2024, and it didn't even finish the 24 Hours of Le Mans. It didn't finish. It may have won some other races during the year, but now you can see the graphics match up, right? The 2024 season. So, all right. So, I'm pretty sure this company is going to basically reissue this exact same casting again, but with the 2025 graphics wherein it did run. I still have this photo up because that's pretty amazing that you could have 3 grown men standing on this panel. Is that strong, that carbon fiber. So very impressive. Okay, I gotta be careful not to drop this thing. So we do have the acrylic base there, and they left a protective paper on there. That's fine by me. It's not gonna scratch up and stuff. And then 2 black screws holding the model on. And then you have this other piece of acrylic here. And the edges are polished, it seems. They're probably laser cut first, but they're actually so smooth they must have been polished. And then we have a photo etched metal piece here. So this was not advertised as the winning car, so I can't hold this against Fine Model. I just assumed it was the one, but nope, not the case. Let's start up here for a change. So the yellow is nice. It's not metallic. It's just, I guess, whatever color yellow Ferrari calls their yellow. And then we do have some carbon fiber graphics here. This whole central top tunnel, vent tunnel, it looks like this, carbon there is possibly under a clear coat as well. But here it definitely looks wrinkly. So this might be, it doesn't look super wrinkly, so it might have a slight clear coat over it, I'm hoping, to keep it from peeling off in the future. But you can see the clear coat here, yeah, it's a little bit orange peely, but it's not bad. Some black here for the locks to hold the clamshell down, some arrow detail. There's also red coming across the top of this central strake. You notice here, this is matte black, whereas the rest is glossy around it. Maybe some camera or something. I'm not sure why there would be silver up there, but there is. And then we have some antennae, two very tiny antennae. Look at this toothpick, right? So that's, I don't know what those are, if those are photo etch pieces or some just plastic fishing line maybe, I don't know. Probably metal. They look very straight. Same here, photo etch pieces I'm assuming because they're so thin. But they have the carbon graphic on it, and there's 4 of them here. I think, yeah, there's 2 down here and there's 2 up here. Alright. And yeah, look at this central streak here. The red, the black stripes, they're very well defined, as well as the carbon texture on them. Some sort of exhaust details here, looking like it's just a matte finish. Some text here. What the heck does that say? Alright, that's interesting they would sponsor that vehicle. So I guess a lot of people, that's weird. Why would they do that? Is Texas the number one? I don't know. They're trying to sell a lot of Ferraris down in Texas, apparently. Cancun? Is that something for promote Cancun? Interesting. All these little sponsorships. This is actually recessed in black, so I think this is a photo etch ring, and then there's black paint behind it. Some molded details there. Some printed details here. Yeah, alright, so what is this? This is, I can feel that edge. That's a photo etch piece of metal there with some rivet details. The central streak here, again, probably a piece of metal. Some decals up here. It's very thin window plastic there with the blackout on the backside. Printed on vents here, unfortunately, because you can see the vent and the graphic are not matching up. It's a little bit better here, but those decals, see, that's just floating. It's possible that'll just fall off in the future, so I hate decals. Ah, boy, yeah, we're gonna go all out of order today. Let's see about this interior. Which side is the seat? I don't know. It's so black. Alright, so there's the steering wheel. And it looks very racy, dog bone-like. But what is this thing? This head bolster, shoulder bolster or something? Some sort of brace? Or is that a central tunnel? There's some sort of red thing in there. Unless it's the reflection of something else? No? So hold on. Oh, that could just be the reflection of the mirror, actually. I think the window's just so glossy it's reflecting the mirror. Yes, that's what the red was. Yeah, so the windows, you know, they're small. I can't tell what's going on inside of this thing. Yeah, I don't know. That's the best I can show you. I don't know what it is, where the seat is even. Oh, I guess that's it. I feel like there is text back there on the left side, and some yellow maybe? I don't know if that's an accident or just weird paint. Could be yellow on the steering wheel, like the prancing horse maybe? There's definitely some buttons and bars there on the center console. I don't see an instrument display. It's probably just off. It's probably like an LCD display. Well, alright. Good luck looking at the interior of this thing. The windows are so small. That's the last time I'll ever do that. Okay, moving on. Let's see. So even the mirrors, they have these tiny little streaks on them, and then above the wheel wells, again, these carbon graphic pieces of metal, I assume. And down here, look at the carbon carrying across. Yeah, very nice. And then, yeah, this is even a separate piece, I think, this little streak here. And then look at this little pitot tube thing. So I think that's like an airspeed sensor, possibly. Or leave a comment if you know what that thing is. This bent L shape. And look at this very fine wiper blade. It looks like it's clear coated. Seems unnecessary. but it is perpendicular to the windscreen. Alright, so all that text looks relatively legible to me. There's carbon here as well. This is just a tire below, and it is rubbery, as you can see me pushing the pick in there. I'm wondering if there's any like suspension arm details. I don't think. Well, maybe. Alright. So the lens cover is fantastic. This, right, or really is what's behind the lens cover. You can see all these tiny printed dots of LEDs, and then these two little tiny vents here. I think there could be actually inserted etchings there because it looks like a grill pattern, right? And what's going on back here? This that looks very deep in there. Yeah, I guess it's just running into a black wall, but it's actually quite deep. Like these 4 supports for the lower tray and part of the wing, and you can see how the vent from the wing goes underneath the car. That's pretty crazy. I don't think I saw that in the last videos. Alright. Oh, you know, maybe that's a decal for these little vents here, because you can see the yellow, or yeah, maybe those are decals. Alright, it's pretty hard to tell. The thing's so small. And then I think this is just silver paint. I think this maybe, I don't know what it is. Not sure what it is, that silver strip. The Italian flag looks good. Some carbon up on the top here looks good. Michelin sponsorship. The tires have decals or some sort of printing that looks very legible. And then finally the black wheels. That's how the car looks, so that's good. And it's got red on these spokes. That's what I see in the photographs. The center knockoffs are black, it seems, and the silver dot. And that's actually accurate to the photos I pulled up. And then the brakes are nice. You have some sort of grooves in them, and it looks like a carbon ceramic brake with a 3D molded brake caliper. I don't know if there's actually like a Brembo printed on there. What is going on? It's too bright. I feel like that caliper has Brembo printed on it. Correct me if I'm wrong. Looking through a phone screen, you know, I have a hard time seeing what I'm doing here. Some black paint in these vents up top and way down in there. What's going on? Let's go brighter. Just some darkness and a smooth surface way back underneath this area here. Where's my pick again? That actually goes pretty deep. And then that one, yeah. Whoa, that is super deep. All right. I'm lucky I didn't just break that plastic. Okay, so some these dots, I think those are like lights that light up, and the carbon looks good here again. And here, yeah, it looks black very often because it's in darkness, but there is a carbon pattern here, and it's maybe a vent, or I don't know what this little dent is. Seatbelt sponsorship. Back in this vent here, what do we have? Well, you can see some of the yellow body. It's pretty deep back there, right? So I think there's a photo etch piece right there, like a barge board right there. So that's impressive. Looks neat. Some sort of panel detail there, and then you'll notice the rear wheel here has green spokes, and I see that on the photographs as well. So yeah, they really came back and did a better job with this model compared to the 3 set I got, which still angers me. The air venting here is good. Again, this all looks fantastic, and this carbon is clearly under a clear coat. It's just too smooth to be just a raw decal. Alright, carbon here, and again that rubbery tire. So even the inside of the wings have this red detail, and then you see this decal of all those tiny LEDs for the brake lights and I guess maybe turn signals. I don't know if this car has turn signals. Some sort of graphic here, probably carbon. Yes it is. There's a 3D etched Or maybe that's just paint, actually. This toe ring? Is this a toe ring or an LED light? I don't know. What's going on here? I feel like... because this looks black on the side. So, I don't know if that's glued on as a photo etch piece or if it's paint. Part of me thinks it's an etching because you can see this little sprue area where it may have been torn off of a metal runner. You can even see carbon on the edge of this diffuser, so that's interesting. And let's get the flashlight down in here. So the tire, blank there, the exhaust, they are tubular, so that's nice. And yeah, the diffuser. Okay, so the carbon isn't carrying across on the bottom. That would have been impressive if you saw carbon down here, but in most instances, I guess you got to go looking for it. It's better they have the carbon on the most obvious outer surfaces. So let's see, is there anything else? There's so much stuff going on in these cars. Yeah, the green spokes in the rear match up. I don't know if this is even symmetric with the other side. No, it's not. See, the fuel filler's here, but here is just a hatch. I can't remember if this is a hybrid or not. What's going on here? Some sort of box that was there. I just missed it the first time. Okay. And then red spokes on the front. Alright, well, that's it. So, I don't see any defects, right? I didn't think I saw any defects. There's even little streaks on this wing. That's very thin. So I think those are 4 etched pieces, these streaks here. That's impressive. It really is. This model has lots of parts, and they're all executed perfectly. I just wish it was the winning livery. I said I wasn't going to bring these out, but I did after all. So, yeah, these are very annoying just because look at those wheels. They're not black. It's such an obvious oversight. I think they did it on purpose. I think these people are just, they weren't cool. They're just like, oh, we can sell more models by selling the wrong colors first and then coming back and selling the right colors second. Alright, so not cool. It's a nice display though. You know how it does this and it says Le Mans and the drivers' names and all that stuff. It's just the wheels are black. Right? I'm too lazy to take them apart and paint them because I feel like the decals on the tires would probably get destroyed if I tried to take them off. Okay. This is a vast improvement because it's not just that the wheels are black, but they added the color to the spokes. So far more realistic. And then everything else, matches up with the other ones. Just all the details and the decal work and all that stuff is fantastic. So this is definitely better than those previous two. It's very high quality, very nice. But unfortunately, this particular one is not It's not history. For me, it's the 24 Hours of Le Mans. And winning that, to me, is history. The other races in the season, I don't really care about it. I'm not even sure if there's one other races in the season. Leave a comment if you know. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'm not sure if I'm going to buy any more of these things. These things are expensive, so it's just, yeah, we'll see. All right, see you guys.